Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, you will learn how to efficiently export multiple clips in Adobe Premiere Pro using a simple batch workflow. Open your project in Adobe Premiere Pro, select the clips you want to export from your timeline, ensure all desired clips are properly edited and arranged in the timeline before proceeding. For us to export all your clips at once, we will nest our clips. To do that, select the clips you want to export. Right-click on the selected clips in the timeline. Choose the Nest option from the context menu. This will combine the selected clips into a single sequence. Name the nested sequence appropriately for easy identification. With the nested sequence selected, go to the File menu, select Export, and then Media. In the Export Settings window, choose your desired format and preset. Common choices include H.264 for high-quality video. Ensure you configure the output settings as needed or depending on your liking. After setting up your export preferences, click Export below. After exporting, review your video to ensure it meets your quality expectations and make any necessary adjustments for future projects. Happy editing! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.